Welcome to this introduction to AWS CodeBuild. CodeBuild is a fully managed build service provided by Amazon Web Services. It serves as a continuous integration service that compiles your source code, runs tests, and packages your code into deployable artifacts. Think of it as an automated assembly line for your software projects. Instead of manually building your code on your local machine every time you make changes, CodeBuild handles this process automatically in the cloud. This is particularly valuable in modern software development, where teams need to integrate and test code changes frequently and reliably. Let's understand what makes CodeBuild special. First, it's fully managed, which means you don't need to provision or maintain any servers. Amazon Web Services handles all the infrastructure for you. Second, CodeBuild runs your builds inside Docker containers, providing consistent and isolated environments for each build. Third, it follows a pay-per-use pricing model, so you only pay for the actual time your builds are running, not for idle server time. Finally, CodeBuild comes pre-configured with support for popular programming languages and build tools like Maven, Gradle, and NPM, so you can get started quickly without extensive setup. The CodeBuild workflow consists of 4 main steps. First, you define your build process by creating a configuration file called buildspec.yml. This file contains all the instructions CodeBuild needs to build your project. Second, you trigger a build from your source control system, such as GitHub or AWS CodeCommit. Third, CodeBuild executes your build inside an isolated Docker container, ensuring that each build runs in a clean, consistent environment. Finally, CodeBuild outputs your build artifacts, which are the compiled files or packages ready for deployment. These artifacts can be stored in Amazon S3 or pushed to a container registry. CodeBuild offers 3 types of build environments to accommodate different project requirements. For Linux projects, you have access to standard images, GPU-enabled images for machine learning workloads, and ARM support for applications running on ARM architecture. For Windows projects, CodeBuild provides Windows Server 2019 images with full .NET support and PowerShell capabilities. If you need something more specialized, you can bring your own custom Docker image from Amazon Elastic Container Registry or Docker Hub, giving you complete control over your build environment and the tools available during the build process. The buildspec.yml file is the heart of your CodeBuild project. It starts with a version declaration, currently version 0.2. The file is organized into phases, which represent different stages of the build process. The install phase is where you install packages and dependencies your project needs. The pre-build phase contains commands that run before the actual build starts, such as running linters or fetching configuration. The build phase is where the main compilation and testing happens. Finally, the post-build phase handles cleanup tasks and packaging your artifacts for deployment. Each phase can contain multiple commands that execute sequentially. Here's a practical example of a buildspec.yml file for a Node.js project. The file begins with version 0.2. In the install phase, we specify that we want to use Node.js version 18 as our runtime. In the pre-build phase, we run npm install to download and install all the project dependencies listed in our package.json file. In the build phase, we execute npm run build, which compiles and bundles our application. Finally, the artifacts section tells CodeBuild which files to save as build outputs. In this case, we're saving everything using the wildcard pattern, which means all files and folders in our build directory will be preserved as artifacts. CodeBuild provides several powerful features that make it an excellent choice for continuous integration. The continuous integration capability automatically compiles and tests your code whenever you commit changes, helping you catch bugs early. Build reports provide detailed logs and test results for every build, making it easy to diagnose issues. Security is built in, with isolated build environments and integration with AWS Identity and Access Management for fine-grained access control. Artifact management is seamless, as CodeBuild can automatically store your build outputs in Amazon S3 or push Docker images directly to Amazon Elastic Container Registry, eliminating manual deployment steps and ensuring your artifacts are securely stored and versioned. CodeBuild integrates seamlessly with the broader AWS ecosystem and external services. It works naturally with CodePipeline, allowing you to automate the build step as part of a complete continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline. Integration with CodeCommit enables automatic build triggers whenever code is pushed to your repository. CodeDeploy integration allows you to automatically deploy your build artifacts to various targets like EC2 instances or Lambda functions. Amazon S3 serves as the storage location for your build artifacts and outputs. Amazon Elastic Container Registry lets you push Docker images directly from your builds. Finally, CloudWatch integration enables comprehensive monitoring of your builds, allowing you to set up alarms, view detailed logs, and track build metrics over time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.